Yes, good morning. Good morning, students. See, today's topic is very interesting and new topic to you. I hope see here BMAS rules and BODMAS rules. Today's topic is what? BMAS and BODMAS rules. Already so far I taught how to solve addition, sum, subtraction, multiplication, division. Yes or no? I hope you all are thorough with these four operations. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So you know how to add, then properties of additions also I taught. Addends, then sum and all. Then difference, how to subtract, how to find difference, what is minimum, subtract and all I taught. Then multiplication also, properties of multiplication I taught. Then properties of division also I over. Now, if in case, if all these operations comes together, that means addition, subtract, more than two operations, you know separately how to add, how to subtract and how to multiply and how to divide. So if in case if it is any two operations or more than two operations occur in one question, for example, 7 plus 5 minus 3, here two operations are there. So in that case, what you should do? We should follow BMAS rules. What rules we should follow? First, what you should do, if any question, if it occurs more than two operations, we should follow BMAS rules. BMAS rules means what? D stands for division, multiplication, M stands for multiplication, then A stands for addition, then S stands for subtraction. That means you should go for how to solve. If you get more than two operations, first you should go for division. Then you should go for multiplication, then addition, then subtraction. If you don't know this rule, just what you will do, everybody like to add. So you will go for addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division. So that is wrong. So if you get more than two operations in one sum, you should follow this method, BMAS rules. I'll come for BODMAS afterwards. First, I'll explain BMAS. Say, for example, I've given that question. Example question, 36 divided by 3 plus 4 into 3 minus 4. This is the example question I took. So in this question, division is there, addition is there, multiplication, subtraction. All four operations are there. You can't go like this. 36 divided by 3, how much you will get? 12. So 12 plus 4, how much you will get? 16. 16 into 3, how much? 80. See, first I'll solve that. Since 36 divided by 2, 12 you will get. After that, if you add that, you will get 4. Then if you multiply this one, 12 plus 4 is 16. So multiply by 3, 6 3s are 18, 1 carry, 3 1s are 3, 4. Then if you subtract 4, you will get what? 8 minus 4 is 4. 44 is the answer. If you don't know this rules, you will do like this. Yes or no? But this is wrong method. We shouldn't do. We should follow BMAS rules. If you get in one question, if two or more operation, you should follow what? BMAS rules. First, you should solve division. So in this, which is division from where to where? This is division, this one. So remaining and all, you do copy first step, go for division. So 36 divided by 3. How much you will get? 3 1s are 0, bring down 6, 2s are 6, 0. So 12. So 12, remaining you copy as it is, plus 4 into 3 minus 4. Now division over. Next, what you should do? BMAS. First to solve division over. Next to multiplication. So here addition is there. So even though you should solve first multiplication, then you should come for addition, last subtraction. So remaining and all copy as it is. 12 plus 4 3s are 12 plus minus 4. Got it? Now what you should do? Addition. 12 plus 12 is how much? 12 plus 12, 24. Minus 4 equal to 20. What is the answer? 20. So you should follow this method. So if more than two or this one, more than two operation comes, you should follow this. See, here we got 44, here 20. So this is wrong. You should follow like this. Clear? See, what you should keep in your mind, if any question, if the two or more operation comes, you should follow you can't keep division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So instead of that, you can keep in your mind BMAS rules. Which rule you should follow? BMAS rules. When you should follow if two or more operation occur in same question, comes in same question. If they ask two or more operation, you should follow which rule? Demar's rules. So sometime for Demar's plus, you will get brackets also like this. See here, brackets are there. So in that case, what you should do? You should follow Bodmer's rules. What rules? Bodmer's rules. First you should solve bracket, then half, then you should follow same Demar's rules. Now here, there are 4 types of brackets are there. In that bracket also, you can't solve all the brackets together. So we will solve bar. This is what? Bar. Then this is what? Round bracket, curly bracket, then this is square bracket. So in brackets, first you should solve bar, then round bracket, then this one, curly bracket, at last square bracket, then you should follow Demar's rule. Clear? So there are, if in question, if you get about this one brackets and many operations together, you should follow which rule? Bodmer's rules. Bodmer's rules means what? B stands for brackets. B stands for what? Brackets. Then half. Then was division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. Clear? Now in this, see here. So in bracket also you can't solve any bracket at a time. All bracket at a time. First you should go for this bar bracket or bar. Then you should go for round bracket, curly bracket, at last square bracket. Clear? I'll solve one sum. Then you can understand easily. Now I'll take this question. 6 brackets, I should write the bar bracket, round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. See here, bar, round, curly, square. Okay, now question 6 plus open curly bracket, 6 plus 5, open round bracket, 4 plus 3, close round bracket, curly bracket close, minus 3. This is the question. Okay. Now here, first what, which rule you should follow? Bodmer's rules. First you should solve brackets. So in bracket, first you should go for vinculum or bar bracket. This we can call it vinculum also. Vinculum or bar bracket. So if you go, see vinculum is not there. Bar bracket is not there. Bar is not about this. So no need to go for this. Then round bracket you should go. Round bracket from where to where, year to year. So in while writing classwork also underline, leave one line, solve one by one step, then you will get remaining and all copy as it is. Only solve this one. So open curly bracket, 6 plus 5 as it is. Only you solve here. Here no signs here. Here no sign. Here addition is there. Here subtraction is there. Here no sign. Before bracket, if no sign means that is considered as multiplication into. So write into. 4 plus 3 is how much? 7. Now this bracket we solve. No need to copy this one. So now close curly bracket, minus 3. Now this bracket over next curly bracket. Curly bracket from where to where? Year to year. So curly bracket, addition is there, multiplication is there. Which one you should go first? Addition or multiplication? First multiply, then add. So now multiplication 5 sevens are 6 plus 5 sevens are 30. 6 plus 5 sevens are 30. Now minus 3. So 6 plus 30 is what? 36. Minus 3 equal to how much? 33 answer. Like this step by step you should do. Clear? Now next question. Next sum I make this 6 plus 5. 38. See question, wait 1 minute. 6 plus 5, 4 plus 3 minus 3. Yes. 5 into 7. Yes, correct. This is first multiplication. No. First to see here. Once again, I'll explain this. See here, first we should remove this bracket 7. Yes, here no sign, so we took into 6 as it is 5. Then 5. So first multiplication. Oh, here wrong. 6 5s are 35. Sorry. 6 5s are 35. Then here, so I wrote 30, so only we got wrong. 35. 35 plus 6 is how much? 35 plus 6 is equal to 11, 1 carry. Now 4, 41. 41 minus 3. Yes, 41 minus 3 is 3, 11. 11 minus 3 is 7. 11 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 8. Now here 3. 38 is the answer. Yes. Got it. Here only. 5 sevens are. I wrote 5 6 are. So 5 sevens are 35. Same. So first you should solve vinculum or bar bracket, round bracket, curly bracket, square bracket. In the square bracket is not there. We got the answer there. So we can do one more question and solve and answer. So here next question is open the square bracket. 8 plus 24 minus 6 minus 60. Close the bracket here. So first I'll check question once. 8 plus 24. Yes. 6 minus 16. Yes. That's all question. So here, see here bar graph, this one is there. Bar is there. So first what you should do? First to solve this. From here to here you should solve. So remaining and all, open square bracket. 8 plus 24 minus 6 is how much? 24 minus 6 is 1. 14 minus 6, 8. So you got it what? 18. 18 minus 16. Now close. Now you should solve what? Square bracket. So you no curly bracket, no round bracket, nothing. So you should go for this. In this, addition is there, subtraction is there. So first what you should do? Addition, then subtract. So first you add this. 18 plus 8 is how much? 16, 1 carry 2. 26 minus 16. Now 26 minus 16 is how much? 26 minus 16, 0, 1. 10. So what is the answer? 10 is the answer. Clear? How to solve this? Now next question. Last one I'll solve and I'll go for textbook questions. So last one, open square bracket 6 minus curly bracket, open small round bracket 2 minus 3 minus 2, here close into 4 minus 7 plus 8 close. This is example from, just no need to copy this, just listen that. So textbook, this one exercise question and all you can copy in your classroom. Now first I will check question whether it's correct or not. 6 minus 2, 2 divided by, this is division. This is divided by 3. Divided by 3, 3 minus 2, close this bracket, into 4 minus 7 plus 8, yes, close the bracket. Correct this is. Here also one bracket is there. Yes. Now it's correct. 6 minus 2, 2 bracket, divided 3, yes, into 4. Minus 7, yes, 7. Oh. Now we'll go one by one operation, okay? First we'll go for which one brackets are present. So we should go for BODMAS rules. So we should go vinculum bar test. First you should solve this. Underline that. Remaining and all copy as it is equal to open 6 minus remaining copy as it is. 2 divided by, this is what 3 minus 2 is what 1. 3 minus, so we should solve only this. 3 minus 2 is 1. So what? Close this into 4 minus 7 thus plus 8. Now vinculum over. Next bracket is what? Round bracket. Round bracket present, yes, from here. So only solve this, remaining copy as it is. Open square bracket 6 minus open curly bracket 2 divided by 1. 2 divided by 1, how much you will get? 2s are 0. So you will get 2 only. So 2 divided by 1 is 2. Now into 4 minus 7, close this plus 8. This bracket you should close. Now curly bracket we remove. Then which bracket we should go for that? Next we should go for flower bracket, or you can go curly bracket. From here to here you should solve. Here multiplication is there, addition is there. So first what you should do, multiply, then subtract. So if you solve this, 2 into 4 minus 7, 4 2s are 8 minus 7 equal to 1. So here what you should do, open 6 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 minus 7 is what? 1. 1 plus 8. Close the bracket. Now here, now you should solve this one, solve only square bracket. So minus is there, addition is there. So what you should do first? First add, then you do. 8 plus 1 is what? 9. 9 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 6 minus 1 equal to 5. 5 plus 8 is how much? 13. 5 plus 1 is what? 13. So what is the answer? 13 is the answer. Clear now? 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 plus 8 is what? 13. Got it? Now next one. That's all example sums I solved. Now we'll go for textbook questions. Okay, now exercise 1.5. So I'll solve textbook questions slowly, then you can understand easily. Now let it be heading like that. DMARS rules and BORMAS rules. What you should find in here, if you more than two operation will get, you should follow DMARS. Then if bracket comes, you should follow BORMAS. So what are the types of brackets? Unicolumn, round bracket, curly bracket, and square bracket. We should solve one by one. Okay, we'll go for textbook question. Question number 1, exercise 1.5. Exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Work out the operations of each pair problem, pair of problems. Are the result same or different? Same or different? See here in this question, I'll write question and I'll read again. Heading. So 13 minus 5 into 2 and open the bracket 13 minus 5 into 2. So here this is question number 1. Okay, now I'll read heading. Work out the operations of each pairs of the problem. Pair they are given 2. This is 1 and this is 1. 2 they are given 1 pair. All the results are same or different. So you should solve both the sums and see whether the result is same or different. So here, see here 13 is there. Here also 13. Here minus 5 into 2 into 2. But here brackets are present, here no brackets. You understand? Solve both, the numbers are same. Only brackets, here brackets is there. In this question, bracket is not there. You should check whether you will get same answer or different answer. So first what you should do, 13 minus 5 into 2 is equal to, first you take 13 minus 5 2s are what? 10. So 13 minus 10 equal to 3. We got this side 3. Now we'll go for this. Your brackets are there. First what you should do, solve bracket. So you should go 13 minus 5 is equal to what? 13 minus 5. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 8. So what we got? 8. 8 into 2. 8 2s are what? 16. So we didn't get same answer. But same number, here also 13 minus 5. Here also 13 minus 5. Here into 2. Here also into 2. But here bracket present, here brackets are not there. So we didn't get same result. Result means what? Answer. So what you should write? All the results are same or different? No, we got different answer. The results are different. The results are what? Different. We got the result different. So one more sum I'll solve same main and I'll show again. So even though if the numbers are same, operations also same, but bracket present and here brackets is not there. Yeah, so answers are also different. Now question number 2. New topic, children, first listen, understand. So copying afterwards you can copy, you will get notes. So now next question, open the bracket 24 minus 2 close the bracket, divided by 6 minus 3 within bracket, and this side 24 minus 12 divided by 6 minus 3. So this is the question. We'll solve and we'll see. Here brackets are present, the brackets are not there. But numbers are same. 24 minus 2, 24 minus 2 or 12, 12. 12, 12. 24 minus 12 divided by 6 minus 3. 24 minus 12 divided by 6 minus 3. Same. But we'll see whether we'll get same result or different. Result means what? Answer. Same answer or different answer. We'll check whether we'll get same or different answer. Okay, first we'll solve this. Brackets are present, so we should go for bracket. Only round bracket is there both. So first we'll solve this round bracket. So 12 minus 24 minus 12 is how much? 24 minus 12 gives what? 12. 12. Divided by 6 minus 3, 3. So if you divide 12 divided by 3, 4s are 12, 0. So what is the answer? 4. This side we got 4 answer. We'll say right side. So here subtraction is there, division is there, subtraction. So you should follow which rule? DMAS. First you should divide this 24 minus. So if you divide 12 divided by 6, 2s are 12, 0, 0. So what is the answer? 2 minus 3. So now you should subtract. 24 minus 2 is what? 22. Minus 3 equal to how much? Just 3 numbers. Subtract 22 minus 3. So here 1, 12, 12 minus 3. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 9. 1. 19 is the answer. So answers are what? Different. So even though same number, same operation, brackets present and brackets are not there. So answers we got it what? Differently. Got it. So only we should follow what? The rules. If you follow rules only, we'll get correct answer. Understand? So if we didn't follow rules, you won't get correct answer. So here what you understood in this, no? If brackets are present, numbers are same also, no problem. But we should follow, if brackets are present, you should follow BODMAS rules. If brackets are not there, if more than more than 2 operation, you should follow DMAS rules. Clear? Now we'll go for next main. So second main is simplify. It's so interesting. One by one solving is very, this one step by step. Steps are important in this. Okay, you can use color pencil for underlining which operation you should underline. Okay, question number 1. Second question, second main. Simplify the following. Simplify the following. First, I'll write question. 13 plus 5 plus, open the bracket, 100 divided by 10 plus, curly bracket, 15 into 2, open, 13 minus 9 divided by 5 minus 1 into here. So here bar bracket bar, here also one bar. Okay, I'll check question once because for a lengthy question. 13 plus 5 plus, open, 100 divided by 10 plus 15 into 2. Yes, yes. Divided 5 minus 1. Yes. Question is correct. Now here brackets are present. So which rules you should go? BODMAS rules we should follow. We should follow which rules? BODMAS rules. We'll solve one by one. First we'll go for which one? Vinculum. From where to where? Year 1. I'll go for color chalk this. Year 1 vinculum. Year 1, year 1. All three you should solve. Remaining and all copy as it is. So 13 plus 5 is what? 18 plus, open this bracket, 100 divided by 10 plus, remaining and all copy as it is 2. Here 13 opens this round bracket, 30 minus 9. After 9, what will come? 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. 4 minus, so we'll solve this here. 13 minus 9 divided by 5 minus 1. We'll go for this one working column. 13 minus 9 is how much? 10, 11, 12, 13, 4. Yeah, divided by 5 minus 1, 4. So 4 divided by 4 gives what? 4 divided by 4 gives 1. 4 ones are 4. So what here? 1, close this bracket, this. Okay. Now next. Now you should solve which bracket? Only bar we solve. Oh, 1 minute. Sir. Okay. Here, we'll go here only. 4 divided by 4. Close this bracket, this. Now you should solve curly bracket. Curly bracket from here to here. Remaining and all you copy as it is. So 18 plus 100 divided by 10 plus, open this bracket, 15 into 2. 4 divided by 4 is what? 1. Here no sign, so you should write into 1. Into 1. Yes. Now close curly bracket, close square bracket. Clear? Now 2 brackets over. Next you should solve flower bracket. This one. So here 18 plus 100 divided by 10 plus, now we have 15 2s are 30, 30 ones are 30. So 30, close where this one, close this bracket. So you got it 100 divided by 10. Yeah. Now next you should solve this bracket. So here 18 plus 100, see division and multiplication, addition is there. First divide. 100 divided by 10. 100 divided by 10 gives what? So you can go short method, 1 0 1 0 cancel, 10. So 10 plus 30. Now add all this, you will get 30 plus 10, 40. 40 plus 18 is 58. What is the answer? 58. So don't get confused. Don't, you're so big sum how to do. If you go step by step, you will get correct answer. First we solve what? Vinculum, we solve bar. Then we solve round bracket. Then we solve this one curly bracket. Then which bracket? Square bracket. Then we got the question. Clear? Now next one. Second question. If you want copy in your this one draft note, children, I'll give 2 minutes time. One more big sum I will do. Small one I'll give as assignment, homework. Okay, one more question. See, only 3 questions are there in that main. One more difficult sum is there, that I will solve. One small easy one I'll give as homework. Okay. Same name, just I'll drop question. If you have textbook, it's easy, children. First buy textbook. So in textbook only example sums are there. So here next question, 297 divided by 3 plus open curly bracket 4 into 3 open round bracket 20 minus 36 divided by 5 minus 3 here bar bracket close this. I'll check question once whether it's correct or not. 297 divided by 3 plus 4 into 3 open this 20 minus 3 into 5. Yes, question correct. So I'll solve step by step the sum. So here also brackets are present. So we'll follow board mass rules. We'll solve one by one. First we'll go for what vinculum will go. First we'll solve this. Okay. So here remaining and all as it is. 297 divided by 3 plus open curly bracket 4 into 3 open round bracket 20 minus 36 divided by 5 minus 2 is 5 minus 3 is what? 2. 5 minus 3, Sorry, 5 minus 2 will come, I think. Question wrong. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 gives 3. Now close this bracket, this. So we solve one. While copying in classwork also, use color pencil here and underline like this and solve one by one. Leave a line, one page, only one question answer you should do. Now vinculum over, bar bracket over. Now you should solve this. Which one you should solve? This one you should solve. This one how to solve? First division. 36 divided by 3. So here 3 ones are 3. 0. Bring down 6. 2s are 3 2s are 6. 0. So here 12. So here what? 20 divided 20 minus 2. 20 minus 12 gives 1. 10 minus 2, 8, 0. So what is the answer? 8. So remaining, so only this bracket we saw. Remaining and all copy as it is. Open square bracket 297 divided by 3 plus open curly bracket. Here 4 into 3 as it is. We solve this. So what answer we got it? 20 minus 12 equal to 8. So here if you divide, you will get 12. Here 20. 20 minus 12 gives 8. So here no sign. So what you should do? Into 3. So if it is no sign means that is multiplication. 3. Now this bracket over. Close curly bracket. Close square bracket. Over. Now you should follow. First we finish vinculum over. Then round bracket over. Now we should solve which one? Curly bracket coming out here. 4 into 3 into 3. Okay. Remaining and all copy as it is. So open square bracket 297 divided by 3. Now plus sign as it is, multiply. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are how much? 12 into 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 36. So here you should write 36. Now what? Now curly bracket over. So close square bracket. Now solve this. Here division is there. Here addition. So first you solve division. 297 divided by 3. 297 divided by 3. 3 7s are 20. 3 9s are 27. Remaining 2, bring down 7, 9. So 3 9s are 27. 27. If you subtract, you will get 2, bring down 7, 9. 9 3s are 27, 0, 0. So what is the answer? 99. Here 99 plus 36. 99 plus 36 gives 99 plus 36 gives 15, 1 carry, 10, 30. So 135 is the answer. Clear? See here, we solved one by one. We followed BODMAS rules in that first vinculum over. Then this is what? Round bracket. Then curly bracket. Then we solve square bracket. That's all, we got the answer. Clear now how to go one by one. First we can't solve round bracket, then vinculum and all. You should follow same as this one order. First you should go for vinculum, then round bracket, then curly, last square, then you will get answer. After that also if you get 2 3 operation, you should follow BMAS rules. Clear? Now copy in rough note. Only one sum I'll give us homework. Homework sum. Homework sum, just I'll call up this question. Same method you should follow, BMAS and BODMAS rules. So homework question, heading same, simplify the following. Open curly bracket, 18 divided by 9. Then here, see here no sign, so which sign you should put? If it is no sign before bracket, you should take multiplication. Before bracket, if no sign means you should take multiplication. So open curly round bracket, 4 minus 2, close, plus 5, close curly bracket. This is what homework question. You should follow order, same order and do it. Okay. Thank you children. Have a nice day.